Intelligent design is an inference to the best explanation. Acronyms. A. Complex Independently Specified Functional Information, CISFI. B. Semantic Functional Information, SFI. And C. Algorithmic Functional Information, AFI. CISFI is A. Information, that is, B. Complex, C. Independently specified, and D. Functional. Examples include a cake recipe and a software program to calculate the value of pi to 200 digits. SFI and AFI are similar, with some differences that we have discussed in one of our other videos. In the rest of this video, we will use CISFI as the example, but our reasoning applies to SFI and AFI as well. Item 1. Functional information. A. We know that random chance cannot create CISFI. B. We know that natural laws cannot create CISFI. C. We know that intelligent design, intelligent agents, can and do create CISFI. D. The only known source for CISFI is intelligent design. E. Therefore, when we see CISFI in any given object, it is reasonable and rational to infer the action of intelligent design. F. And it would be irrational then to insist that random chance created the CISFI. G. And it would be irrational then to insist that natural law created the CISFI. Item 2. Origin of life. A. We see CISFI in the simplest self-replicator, needed for the origin of life. B. Therefore, it is rational to infer the action of intelligent design to create the simplest self-replicator, needed for the origin of life. C. And it would be irrational to insist that random chance created the simplest self-replicator. D. And it would be irrational to insist that natural law created the simplest self-replicator. Item 3. Origin of higher biological taxa. Kingdom, phylum, class, order. A. We see CISFI in orphan genes, orphan proteins, coding DNA, non-gene coding RNA transcripts, and in gene regulatory circuits, needed for origin of higher biological taxa. B. Therefore, it is rational to infer the action of intelligent design to create the CISFI, needed for the origin of higher biological taxa. C. And it would be irrational to insist that random chance created the CISFI, needed for the origin of higher biological taxa. D. And it would be irrational to insist that natural laws created the CISFI. E. And it would be irrational to insist that natural selection created the CISFI, needed for the origin of higher biological taxa. Conclusion. 1. Intelligent design is an inference to the best explanation. 2. Intelligent design is an inference to the best explanation for the origin of life, and for the origin of the higher biological taxa. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.